Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Prabu Revolusi. I'm currently working for Kilang Pertamina Internasional as independent commissioner. KPI, Kilang Pertamina International is one of the Pertamina subholding that focusing on producing oil and gas products. So if you come from your hotel room, drive your car to this stage, to this hotel, actually you use our products. No, we're not going to hold a survey or customer survey, but today we're going to share some insights about how AI enhance our business. So at a glance, maybe I should share to all of you here about what is Kilang Pertamina International. Pertamina actually has 96% market share on oil and gas products in the country. So we are the majority, and all of the products came from 9 working areas. We have 6 refinery units and 3 working areas on petrochemical. There are some of our products like Petrolite, Pertamax, diesel, green diesel, after ultra low sulfur diesel, and such of them. And also we produce some of the petrochemical products in the country. So our business has mainly 4 pillars. That is feedstock management, product transfer, refinery operations, and also project infrastructure. So if we want to develop a refinery for expanding the capacity of production, we also do within ourselves, our company do that. Related to AI, so here is the background. There are challenges. There are challenges in security surveillance and refinery units. First, we have a high operational risk at refineries. As you know, in refineries are complex and also has hazardous environments where fast, accurate detection to threats is very critical for safety and also asset protection. This will be the main reason why we need technology to cover things up. Second thing is the limitations of manual surveillance. In one refinery itself, there are at least 400 to 500 traditional CCTVs that operates by human. So you can imagine how ineffectively when human has to see, has to watch, has to monitor 400 to 500 screens every single hour, every single day. So if there is a potential threat, there is no human in this earth who can easily detect the threat itself. And that's why we need technology. The third challenge is the lack of real-time alerts. Averagely, we need like 1 or 2 hours after the threat start to be mitigated. So we need technology that can help the operators to have the alerts at that very straight time. So all of the mitigation efforts will be on time to cover all of the threats. The fourth is no automated risk detection. Conventional systems cannot automatically detect like missing PPE on a person, unsafe behavior, like maybe you smoke in refinery. So we need technology who can detect human when they do some kind of unwanted behavior or prohibited behavior. And maybe some easy case like vehicle overspeeding and fire smoke early stages. And the last is integration with safety system is also limited because the systems in the refinery are very complex and comes from many of vendors. So it's not easy to integrate all of the system into one system that can protect refinery in a very proper place. Here are the use cases that happening in the refinery. So we need technology that can detect fire and smokes even before the fire and smokes become larger. And also some of the use cases that you can see at the screen. So practically we need AI-based CCTV system that can be developed and piloted in our refinery. Right now, we have developed R2 Vision, we call it, refinery unit vision. It's an AI-based CCTV system. So we modify our traditional CCTV with AI enhancements. With this system, the operator just need to sit down because if there is a potential threat, the system will info the operators in a real-time manner. So real-time detections is a must for fire, smoke, leaks. It can be liquid leaks or gas leaks, PPE, people, speed, and also flare. Even the system can predict, not only analyze, but can predict the undesired behavior of the refinery. Like if we analyze that there is a change in the color, in the temperatures, the weathers, and such a thing. So false alert actually is much more preferable than no alarms at all. Right now, we're piloting the system to be integrated with our computer vision models trained on over 13,000 labeled images across 11 object classes. So we train the data, yeah, like 2 or 3 months. We train the system to be smart enough to be able to analyze what is the fire, what is the gas leak, what is the liquid leaks in a very small dimension, like centimeters dimension. And today, we successfully piloting in 21 active CCTVs and plan to expand. Well, here are some of the concepts. There are model AI development, data preparations, model trainings, and also deployment. As I mentioned earlier, so there are at least 6 object detection to be detect person, leak, fire, smoke, vehicle, and also PPE. And here are the impact of air vision. First, right now, we proudly say that we have the real-time alert system with annotated lines, types. And also, we have successfully integrated the system with VNS and optimized for RTSP stream and transform CCTV from passive to proactive manners. So it can support operational excellence mandate. And the system itself ready for deployment across all RUs. We plan to launch all of the AI CCTV systems on 17th of August at the Indonesian Independent Day. We use packages using PyTorch and also Tensor RT. Yeah. And because this is a very new system, we need to centralize the training for operators and also engineers. And because of we know how impactful AI is for the refinery, we plan to open citizen developer program for digital talent. So citizen or people outside can also contribute to any AI innovations or initiatives for the refinery itself. That is the first AI initiatives that happening in our refinery. We also have the second one. We call it as market intelligence for forecasting or MATA, MATA. Practically, this is an AI-powered platform to forecast energy commodity prices and support strategic decision making. KPI or Kilang Pertamina Internasional is on the midstream, so we produce oil and gas, and because of that, we also buy feedstock or raw crudes from can be from our local sources or maybe from outside. But this is the problems that we face. I just also spoke with Pak Arif here that in terms of feedstock, there is high uncertainty. Yeah. The price is very fluctuative, and it's not because of the supply or demands, but also because of the geopolitics. As you see that when something's big happening in the world, the price can be goes up or go down right away. Like in COVID, on the war, Russia, Ukraine, Middle East conflict, and also the last is Trump tariffs also influence the price of the crude. So we need a system to predict the uncertainty. So when the company manage the crude itself, we can confidently speaking that we buy or we produce it in a very optimum point. So Mata actually is an AI for strategic decisioning. This is an AI-powered platform to forecast energy commodity prices and support strategic decision making. There are at least four key features. First is the AI-based price forecasting. So we forecast the price of the feedstock. Every single day, there are at least 400 to 500 crude items that being offered to our company. And you can imagine that it's very complex to calculate manually which one is the best feedstock for the business. With this system, so the system will analyze, the system will do the math to provide KPI or Pertamina's the best price, the optimum price, with also involving geopolitical factors, because the system has the features to crawling the news. So we read also the news, the sentiments of the public, to making sure that the crude that we want to buy is uh, available or not. Like we know that 2 or 3 weeks ago, Selat Hormuz is being closed. We know that from news, since we know that Salat is being closed, so with the system we can have insights, any kind of alternatives of feedstock that we need to buy, that we can buy. And also we equip the Mata system with AI chat assistance, so it's like you talk or you use chat GPTs or Geminis. So when you use the systems, you just ask which one is the best food, which one is the best feedstock, etc. So we have the GPTs that has expertise of refining. This is Mata for Pertamina. We believe that Mata is a breakthrough in Pertamina's digital transformations that leverage machine learning to predict oil prices, address the complexities of the energy market, and support more accurate decision making. And the impact or the positive effect of Pertamina using Mata is right now, Pertamina's price accuracy performance has improved since using Mata in 2024 and has achieved the highest accuracy compared to consultants. So maybe we need to start a consultants business, I don't know. But this is one of the impact of using AI for reviving business. By far, the development of Mata will continue, and particularly in enhancing prediction models and predictive variables to address the challenges of the complex oil and gas business and improve the company's profitability. Cost avoidance, we have it by the systems, and also protect product value. Yeah. And faster and more accurate decisions, advanced market insights, and higher analytics maturity. And the last is group level value creation. There are many acknowledgements of Mata in Indonesia, and we also already registered it into the copyright. But the main insights of the AI enhancements is actually the importance of the board. It really matters to have board who open mind into AI initiatives, because developing AI initiatives is not cheap, it's cost high. So having an open-minded board into how AI can make your business more efficient, more effective, more profitable is very important, because those initiatives can't be happening if the board don't see what we see. So it is very important to literate the board with AIs. I don't know how, but maybe this kind of event is one of the way it can open the eyes of the board, the management, to see how AI actually can help business in a way that you cannot imagine. So at least for Pertamina, Revolution have saved lives, assets, and also time. Mata system enable foresights and value creations. And I proudly saying that all of the systems is developed by Indonesian that working at KPI team. So it's an honor to be working with them. Maybe that's it from me. Thank you so much for the opportunity.